had come for that match last year. Who's going to?
आप बोलेंगे वकील साहब वो कर रहे हैं
आप बोलेंगे.
Heads.
हेड रेडी तो विकेट देख लो कैसी है
आप बताइए. You are an expert.
Sir, game will be of 10 overs. 3 over circle power play, right? 2 players will be allowed out.
We'll bat first.
Right, sir, right, sir.
You don't have to feel that. Announce your name.
Within 10 minutes, sir, we'll start the game.
What? You are the umpire.
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
सर
Be kind to us.
सर पिछली बार क्या हुआ जो मैच में ना एक जज साहब का कैच ले लिया एक एडवोकेट ने वो जाते हैं सोरे यार सुबह so it was all in good humor but
भैया भैया
I would once again like to inform everyone that the toss has been done and the judges 11 have won the toss and they'll be batting first.
हेलो तीर्थ बुट्टर, जितने भी दर्शक हमारे साथ जुड़े हुए हैं मैच को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें।
चंडीगढ़ पुलिस who have organized the Elingers Gully Cricket 2024. Just to give you a brief about the tournament, this is our second season. We are growing from 200 teams last year to 300 plus teams this time around. We are having more than 3,000 participants for our tournament, both boys and girls. So we are soon going to be entering the Limca Book of Records as a tournament with the maximum participants. This tournament also has a very noble cause associated with it, which is Balla Gubao, Nasha Bhagao. So we are giving an alternative to young impressionable children who may tend to fall towards ball practices like drug addiction. So we are giving them an alternative of sports.
आई बिलीव जिस तरह से प्रैक्टिस चल रही है दोनों टीमों की, मुझे लगता है आज काफ़ी हाई स्कोरिंग मैच होगा। दोनों टीम से मैं देख रहा हूँ कि शॉट मारने वाले लोग हैं, कोई डिफेंड वाला है ही नहीं.
Absolutely, Abhishek. And anyways, if you look at the two professions themselves, they are probably the two of the most aggressive mindset people. So it is going to be a tournament, a match which is very aggressive. So I request the advocate team to please set up their fielding as you guys are bowling first. So the judges 11 will be sending their openers soon. So as we are running short by time as well, so I request all the advocates to please take the field.
चलिए सभी एडवोकेट्स अपना अपना कटघरा बना लीजिए. अब टाइम आ गया है, आप फील्ड करेंगे.
Call the two captains, the fielding captain to set up the field.
Umpires, we are running short of time, so let's start the play already. मैं चाहूँगा कि फील्डिंग टीम अपनी फील्ड सजा ले जल्द से जल्द, so that बैटिंग टीम मैदान पे उतर जाए.
Once again, a humble request to Mutneja ji, the captain of the fielding team, to please assemble his team onto the ground. We would want you to be taking your field so that the openers can join in and we can begin with the game.
पेमेंट कर दो, मैंने स्क्रीनशॉट सेंड कर दो.
Has taken the field. The two umpires are also in the middle. We are waiting for the two openers to join in as well. Teja ji, I would request you to kindly place your fielding. We are going to start the game in another 2 minutes, so I request the fielding team to please take your positions as the two openers are waiting to join.
स्कोरर भाजी ने मैच डिलीट करता.
Hello. So the two openers for the judges 11 is Honorable Justice Sheila Guji and opening with him is Justice Anupinder Grewal ji. The two openers, once again I would like to announce Chief Justice Sheila Guji and opening with him is Justice Anupinder Sandhuji. Anupinder Garewal ji, I beg your pardon.
All right, we're ready for the match. Interesting match because दोनों टीमों की तरफ से अटैकिंग होने वाली मुझे ऐसे लग रहा है. All right, umpire set, batsman set, bowler set, first ball.
The first ball has already been dealt. Swing punished.
पहली बॉल पे चौका. मैं कह रहा था
The judges 11 is off the mark. Caught from Justice Sandhu.
चौकी की तरफ गई तो थी लेकिन बस रुक गई but still. अरे
भाजी स्कोरर ने मैच डिलीट करके नवा बना था क्या पीछे? हाँ रेड टी शर्ट. अच्छा बाहर बैठे.
Short ball and very well played by Chief Justice Saab. He's off the mark.
तो विशाल शर्मा की तरफ से बढ़िया बॉलिंग होती हुई. Yes, shot again. Make it denied.
So avoiding the risk at the start of the innings. Good disciplined start by both teams. It's in the gap. Another single. It's a tight run, but comfortably completed.
Next ball. बढ़िया शॉट सर की तरफ से.
Good confident shot once again. A good solid start for the judges 11 actually. So this is a ground that we've seen the previous game. The total was 55 runs scored by the PU team, which was comfortably chased by the PGI Doctors team. So this should give a heads up for both teams that what is a good total on this ground.
And I believe जिस तरह से मैंने प्रैक्टिस देखी थी दोनों टीमों की, ये स्कोर सर्टेनली 55 को बीट कर ही देंगे. राजीव वर्मा जी बॉलिंग के लिए आते हुए.
Bringing the second over is Mr. Rajiv Verma. Facing him, Chief Justice Sheel Nagu. Good loopy ball, very well dealt into the mid-wicket region. That shot had calculated risk, so he knew where exactly the fielder was and he chipped it over him for a comfortable double.
बढ़िया शॉट फिर से.
That ball was slightly quicker this time, no air given. Very well dealt, went onto the back foot and cut it in the gap. Once again off the back foot, that's a very good confident shot into the gap. One more run added to the total. That was a change of pace up at that time. Slow loopy ball, very well dealt. He waited for that ball and placed it in the gap perfectly. This has been a very confident start from the judges 11. They've taken calculated risks. They play the shots in the right areas. They've taken the ones and twos.
दोनों ही बैट्समैन बहुत ही बढ़िया तरीके से इनिंग्स को एंकर कर रहे हैं.
Once again, another short ball that's played in the air. That should be. Oh, that's dropped. That's dropped. That's the first drop of the evening. Could prove to be very costly in the end.
क्रिकेट में कहा जाता है कि कैचेस विंस द मैचेस. मुझे लग रहा है कि अब ये कैच छोड़ के शायद बड़ी गलती कर दी है.
Going for the slog sweep, slightly missing on that occasion.
वैसे हमें फील्डर से पूछना चाहिए कि ये जो कैच छोड़ा था ये प्रोफेशन के प्रेशर में छोड़ा था या मैच के प्रेशर में.
So after the end of 2 overs, the score is 10 runs without any loss. So good solid start. What we've seen in the past also in the previous game, the first 2 overs went very silent, but the batsmen took the onus in the next few overs to attack.
Right, next bowler Deepak ji आते हुए.
The third bowler has been introduced into the attack. Good strategy by the captain here, introducing new bowlers. Once again, very well played, off the back foot, it's in the gap. There's a run from the fielder and he will cut it off. So comfortable single taken in the end. Once again, a slow loopy ball. So this has been a flavor of the evening so far from the Advocates 11. They haven't tried to bowl quick. They're just tossing the ball up, inviting the batsman to play the big shots.
आराम से ये शॉट्स खेल रहे हैं सर.
That was a short pitch delivery.
आई बिलीव दोनों बैट्समैन रिस्क नहीं लेना चाहते हैं, आराम से इनिंग्स को एंकर करना चाहते हैं.
Once again,
कदमों का थोड़ा इस्तेमाल तो किया था लेकिन फिर बाद में पीछे आना पड़ा.
this time it's an edge. There should be some runs here. The wicketkeeper is after the ball. He complete the single very comfortably in the end. This over has been slightly silent as compared to the first 2 ones. Once again off the back foot, this time straight back to the bowler. A dot ball to end the over. Still, sorry, 1 ball to go.
और ये बहुत ही लॉलीपॉप जैसी बॉल.
Once again, a slow loopy ball off the back foot. Oh, that could have been the catch of the day so far, but once again, we've seen another drop catch.
मैं अभी बस तारीफों के पुल बांध ही लगा था लेकिन सर ने खुद ही पुल तोड़ दिया कि एक हाथ से बहुत.
So after end of 3 overs, the score is 14 runs for no wicket. So very well played innings. The captain's inning comes to end from G. Justice Srinathji. So he showed the way to the judges 11 on how to start this innings, and now the onus is on to the others to actually take the team forward. New batsman in is Justice Sanjay Vishist.
मेरी अच्छा उधर से पूरी रील बना दे.
सीधे में
जैसे मर.
new bowler in the attack will be ADS Sukhira ji.
यहाँ पे स्ट्रैटेजी डिस्कस हो रही है, अंपायर से डिस्कस।
देख ले एक बारी।
3 ओवरों में तक 14 रन आए हैं, लाइक काइंड ऑफ नो रिस्क एटीट्यूड है इस टाइम पे।
Is off the mark straight away. Once again off the back foot into the gap. Should go. The ball doesn't have the legs to go past the boundary. But the batsmen do have the legs to complete a single go. So another run added to the total.
यहाँ पे तारीफ करनी होगी जस्टिस अनुपिंदर सिंह ग्रेवाल जी की, बहुत ही बढ़िया रनिंग बिटवीन द विकेट्स, बहुत ही बढ़िया नपी तुली उनकी इनिंग्स है इस टाइम पे।
This time in the air, straight to the fielder.
Easy
and
catch.
taken.
सर को बिल्कुल हिलना भी नहीं पड़ा, सर ने कहा खुद आएगी मेरे पास बॉल, आएगी तो ठीक है, नहीं तो मैं ड्रॉप कर दूंगा।
Very well taken in the end. So we have the first wicket that has fallen for the judges 11. New batsman in will be Honorable Justice Sethi.
सेठी सर को जैसे मैंने प्रैक्टिस करते हुए देखा था, उस तरह से मुझे लग रहा है कि अभी छक्के चौकों की बरसात होने वाली है।
Very nicely played in the gap. Spatted away on the fine leg. The bowler drifting onto the onside and easily tapped on the fine leg fielder for an easy single. This is Grewal. Another run added to his total. He's batted beautifully so far, looks very confident. He's played his shots with minimum risk and he's got the maximum reward for them.
अभी तक जो इनिंग्स है वो ऑनरेबल जस्टिस ग्रेवाल ही एंकर कर रहे हैं अच्छे से।
And trying to cut that one, should be an easy single in the end. Tried to play it late on that occasion, that is why the ball went finer as compared to the other times.
I believe अनुपिंदर सर की तरफ से इशारा होता हुआ, I believe new batsman going into the ground now.
We are witnessing another retirement and new batsman will be Honorable Justice Sandeep Modgilji.
ये स्ट्रेटेजी ठीक लग रही है मुझे ना, कि आराम से आओ, 3-4 रन मारो, रेस्ट करो, और नए को भेजो।
Going for the big full shot, missing off because of lack of pace in that ball, and there has been a misplay also, and we are seeing another overthrow run and right ball for the second run, but they'll complete it quite easily. But the umpire is not impressed.
अंपायर कह रहे हैं यहाँ पर वो बेंच क्रॉस वाली का
That should be a wide. That was a very tricky ball. That had a lot of air, but the ball bounced. So an awkward bounce for the batsman to deal with. Once again, a similar delivery, similar length. This time the line was slightly outside off.
बीट करती हुई
Once again, a similar ball. This time the batsman was ready for it. Went onto the back foot and easily placed it in the mid-wicket region for an easy single.
फील्डर ने भी बढ़िया फुटवर्क दिखाया कि भाई स्टेडियम में क्रिकेट फुटबॉल दोनों चलना चाहिए.
थैंक यू सो मच तीर्थ बुट्टर.
Once again, that length is troubling the batsman. There's an awkward bounce always for the batsman to deal with. This is very good bowling. The batsman had all the time in the world to actually place that one. He decided to play 2 shots and he finally decided to go ahead with the one.
लेकिन फील्डर ने सोचा कि बॉल खुद ब खुद उसके हाथ से थ्रो हो जाएगी, बट एफर्ट थोड़ा सा तो लगानी पड़ेगा. मुझे लग रहा है बॉलिंग टीम से एग्रेशन थोड़ा सा कम हो रहा है. व्हाट डू यू थिंक समीर?
I think because of the weather that is there, Abhishek, it's not very easy to actually be so energetic all the time. So I think the strategy here is to conserve your energy, because when the time comes, I think that is when they'll be showing their spirit. I hope you agree with me, because the way we are sweating, just imagine those people inside this field. What are they experiencing right now?
Exactly. 5 overs के बाद 1 विकेट के नुकसान पे 24 रन हो चुके हैं अभी.
And also, I would like to inform everyone, so there will be a change of end. So now we'll be bowling from the other end.
Alright, strike पे Honorable Justice Sandeep Maudgalji. Big
Pull
shot.
that one. That should go with the fielders, and then the fielder seems to be a little lost there.
I believe मुझे फील्डर को बताना पड़ेगा कि वन टेप वन हैंड कैच इस मैच में नहीं रखा है हमने, अगर वो कोशिश कर रहे थे तो.
Again, very well pulled this time into the gap. That should be the first boundary of the evening. Yes, it is.
Big
We've
shot
seen
from
the
the
first
man.
boundary for the judges 11.
Honorable Justice Harsimran Singh Seth की तरफ से बढ़िया शॉट. जैसे कि मैंने कहा था कि प्रैक्टिस के दौरान भी वो इन्हीं बिग शॉट्स की प्रैक्टिस कर रहे थे. तो आई बिलीव पहले चौके के बाद कॉन्फिडेंस बढ़ेगा उनका, एंड आप कुछ और चौके हम देख सकते हैं. स्कोर बोर्ड थोड़ा तेजी से बढ़ेगा.
Slightly quicker on this occasion, so the bowler learned that yes, the batsman is getting a lot of time and he's getting predictable. That is why a slightly quicker delivery this time. Very well dealt in the end by Justice Sethi.
बतेरी होगी लाइव चल रहा है.
That's a very good shot. That's once again in the gap. We'll get another single. This is what, Abhishek, have you noticed this is what a boundary does? Earlier the bowler was giving a lot of air, a lot of loop, but since the time that boundary, the bowler has decided to bowl a little quicker.
ये सिंपल मैकेनिज्म है. एक अटैक करेगा, दूसरा डिफेंड करेगा.
Once again another short ball, and I think it's once again in the gap. Should be a 4. The fielder never actually was in the chase because that was very well placed, and Justice Sethi is now showing what he's capable of, and the time that he has spent in the middle is now reaching reward.
जैसे कि मैंने कहा था कि जैसे सेठी साहब का कॉन्फिडेंस अब बढ़ चुका था पहले चौके के बाद, एंड अब और चौकों की बरसात हम देखेंगे. एंड सर ने आगे से एक अपना कंफर्ट गैप ढूंढ लिया.
change of line this time, outside off. I think that should be a better line to bowl at, because the line on the onside is giving a lot of time for the batsman to go onto the back foot and play those pull shots.
और इस तरह से end of the over, 6 ओवर 1 विकेट 33 रन. I believe ये kind of a good score की तरफ बढ़ रहा है. और bowling में तब्दीली, new bowler online. A new bowler on here is Sunil Lodha ji.
शॉट
Big
That's a
shot.
lovely shot into the gap. That should be another 4. 2 bounces into the rope. That's brilliant batting from Justice Morgill.
Honorable Justice Sandeep Motley की तरफ से big shot. I believe कि अब जो last के 4 ओवर रह गए हैं, इसमें वो स्कोर ले जाना चाहिए at least 70 के आसपास.
I think the strategy was very clear. They actually spent some time getting used to the pace and the bounce of the wickets, and now that both of them are settled, they are playing their shots. This is good exhibition of shot making from both the batters now. Once again, a flighted delivery. Justice Morgill tried to use his feet here.
तो आई गेस दोनों बैट्समैन की तरफ से पिक्चर क्लियर है कि सिर्फ अटैक ही करना है.
That's very well cut, but straight to the fielder, and there we see another drop catch.
सर ने सोचा कि दूसरे फील्डर की तरफ मैं भी बड़े आराम से कैच पकड़ूंगा, बट ये वाला कैच आराम से नहीं
Fielder
हुआ.
looks devastated because this is a very, very costly chance that they've lost. Justice Morgill is looking very dangerous, in fact. Dancing down the track, he's played it into the gap, but the fielder will cut that one off.
अभी तक फील्डिंग and we can see already कितने ज़्यादा expensive वो दोनों कैच.
Once again, very well played. He waited for that ball, went onto the back foot and placed it into the gap for another comfortable single. They've already got the boundaries for the over, so I think the strategy is very clear to hit one big shot, one boundary, and then rotate the strike. So this is very good cricket going on. Another short ball pulled away over the fielder. That should be another boundary.
एक और चौका.
That ball was being asked to be hit. I think that has been cut off. That didn't clear the boundary. I beg your pardon. I think I made my assessment way
Thank you
too
so much,
early.
Lakhvir
The
Singh.
ball just had the legs to go past the boundary rope. So they'll have to settle for one.
जिस तरह से जस्टिस सेठी साहब ने बढ़िया शॉट मारा था, बॉल को जाना तो चाहिए था चौके की तरफ.
Absolutely, that shot had 4 written all over it. But the outfield is such, the nature of the ball is such that the ball doesn't have the legs to actually travel.
और मौके का फायदा उठाकर डीजे साहब बहुत बढ़िया रन लगाते हुए एक और
Once
अटैकिंग
again,
शॉट.
pulled away, there's a fielder there and he
And
takes
caught.
it. So finally the Advocates 11 have taken that catch. It brings to the end of an amazing innings from Justice Sethi. He's done his job. He showcased some excellent shots and his innings comes to an end, an entertaining one. So it's given the impotence that the Judges 11 needed, the firepower, and now it's up to the remaining batsmen to take the score par 70, I believe. Getting a standing ovation from his dugout. Justice Sethi deserves all the praise that he is getting. Played an entertaining innings.
And the new batsman in Honorable Justice Alok Jain. I believe Justice Sethi के बाद स्कोरबोर्ड थोड़ा सा नरम पड़ सकता है.
I He's off the mark straight away. That ball was a half tracker onto the on stump.
और विकेट कीपर ने ट्राई तो किया था
We are waiting for the umpire's call and has been called a wide. So 2 runs added to the total. That's an amazing shot. He danced down the track and he exactly knew where the ball is going to bowl and placed it perfectly. So Justice Sandeep Modgil continuing in his merry way and taking the scoreboard at an electric pace. This is brilliant exhibition of stroke making from Justice Modgil.
I believe Mr. Justice Sandeep Modgil ने संभाली ये चीज कि
Once again in the air, there's a fielder under it. No, it will fall in the no man's area.
और अब स्कोर हो चुका 48 रन 2 विकेट के नुकसान पे.
So we are in the 8th over.
And I believe 55 को तो पार कर जाएगा ये स्कोर.
Very well played, confident shot once again into the gap. So the score after 7.4 overs is 49 for the loss of 2 wickets. Again onto the back foot, played it in the gap for another single. Abhishek, have you noticed that after a very solid but a slow start, the Judges 11 have taken the run rate above 7. So this has been a very good strategy. The way they've batted has been brilliant.
And 50 रन हो चुके पूरे 2 विकेट के नुकसान पे.
So 50 up for the Judges 11. I would request the dugout to actually give a round of applause.
And अगर ढोल में भाई साहब थोड़ा सा ढोल बजा दे मजा आ जाए. बहुत बढ़िया.
Once again down the track, but this time this one and taken comfortably. So an entertaining innings from Justice Modgil comes to an end. He's done his job. He's batted beautifully. The time he was there in the middle. It was a free hit actually.
तो यहाँ पर बैटिंग गेम भी थोड़ा सा कंफ्यूज हो गया कि नया बैट्समैन भेजे कि ना भेजे. But I believe batsman खुद रिटायरमेंट लेना चाहते हैं.
There was some
And we have a new batsman in now.
confusion. I think it wasn't a free hit after all. So an entertaining innings from Justice Modgil comes to an end. He's done his job. He's batted beautifully. Some excellent exhibition of stroke picking from him.
And our new batsman in is now Honorable Justice Harkesh Manuja ji. जैसे कि मैं कह रहा था कि जस्टिस सेठी के बाद जो स्कोर है वो थोड़ा सा नरम पड़ चुका है. कहीं हम देख रहे थे बट एज इट नाउ मुझे लग रहा है कि स्कोर जो है 65 या 60 तक रुक सकता है. फिलहाल के लिए स्कोर है 52 रन्स फॉर द लॉस ऑफ 2 विकेट्स.
Going for the big shot here. I think he was beaten by the change of pace.
I mean, what do you think? अब कौन सा better score होगा? 60, 70?
I think anything between 65 above should be a very good total. And here we see another boundary here from Justice Alok Jain. Batted beautifully. He was waiting onto the ball. I think the bowler got a bit too predictable there. And Justice Jain knew exactly where he's going to bowl. He was waiting onto the back foot and perfectly placed it over the fielder.
इस तरह से एग्जीबिशन मैचेस का हाईएस्ट स्कोर हमने अचीव कर लिया 56 रन्स.
Again onto the back foot, once again into the gap. This is brilliant batting from Justice Alok Jain. That's the second consecutive boundary for him. The bowler getting a bit too predictable there. The batsman exactly know where he's going to bowl and he's placing his shots perfectly.
And I believe Honorable Justice Alok Jain की strategy clear है और वो 70 तो क्लिक करना ही चाहते हैं हर हाल में.
Going for the shot once again. This time the ball was slightly fuller in length. Didn't get underneath the ball and was lucky that it didn't click his stumps. Going for the shot once again.
Justice Rakesh Manoja जी timing ढूंढते हुए अपनी ball की.
Check, have you noticed that is what a change of length does? Because earlier he was so easily hitting those balls into the gap, but slight change in length is actually making it difficult for him to time.
Because big shots का कमाल है ये.
Going for that shot once, oh, very well fielded off his own bowling. This is brilliant commitment shown by the bowler. He saved a certain run there. And I think even ones and twos are going to be very crucial in the end. So these are saved runs are going to add to the total of the bowling team as well.
एंड अब स्कोर हो चुका है 60 रन 2 विकेट के नुकसान पे 9 ओवर पूरे हो चुके हैं एंड लास्ट ओवर बाकी है. व्हाट डू यू थिंक एक गुड स्कोर क्या होगा लास्ट ओवर?
Like I think, like I mentioned, anything above 65 should be a challenging total. So, but my guess is the judges 11 would be eyeing anything above 70. So I can expect 10 runs, at least 2 boundaries.
बढ़िया जजमेंट सर की.
So good start to the final over for the judges 11. They get an extra run without the ball being bowled.
फील्डिंग में थोड़ी सी तब्दीली करते हुए आई बिलीव उन्होंने चांस लिया कि वहीं पे बॉल आएगी.
Short ball, very well placed. There was a chance of a run out. The wicket keeper wasn't there behind the stumps. He should have been there. It should have been a run out.
इसके आलोक जैन ने ऑलमोस्ट गिव भी कर दिया था बट लक फेवर्ड हिम.
Pull it and it's in the gap, but there's a fielder in the deep who will cut it off, so they will have to settle for one. One boundary is the end of this over at least. Let's see who gets it.
Score taking to 63 now.
Pulled again, but the ball does not cross the pitch. So dot ball, a rare dot ball that we've seen. Otherwise we'll be getting ones and twos very easily.
बॉल ने बिल्कुल आगे जाने से मना ही कर दिया.
Oh, that's a well flighted ball. He knew exactly what the batsman was eyeing. He was looking to play it off his back foot, and that is what surprised him with a full length loopy delivery. This time a short ball. That is what the batsman was waiting for, and he played it perfectly in the gap. But I think it will be cut off by the fielder. There's good running. They will complete the two in the end quite comfortably. Another short ball that's been pulled will go to no man's land, and another single added. Oh, they're going for the second one. That is brilliant running between the wickets. They've lost the chance for a run out as well. I think that effort should deserve a huge round of applause. We've never seen someone run so fast in this exhibition match so far. That was the last ball.
And now the score is 67 runs. And I believe यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा कंफ्यूजन है.